enter, declare Aba Boys protesters. It is like a drama of what happened in Aba during the EndSARS protesters, as the protesters came out in mass prepared to face the Nigeria police. The Aba protesters, who pleaded anonymity, told our correspondent that they were prepared because they know the Aba policemen and some other security forces operating in Aba will always try to disrupt the Aba boys and confront them. Therefore, they have to prepare themselves to face the Nigeria security force. The EndSARS protesters, which continue in Aba during the EndSARS protest time, have been seen as something that people will not forget in a hurry. The protesters were demanding for an end to police brutality in the country and the EndSARS. Also not forgetting the total scrapping of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad and the newly formed SWAT. Peaceful protesters have been witnessed in several parts of the country, including Lagos, Ondo, Edo State, Abia, Abuja, Enugu, Port Harcourt, Osun, to mention a few. But until Monday last week, the EndSARS protest was sort of peaceful, but it witnessed a different twist as things began to get messy due to the supposed involvement of thugs in the protest venue. Such had led to violence and damage of both life and the property, which had led to several state governors imposing curfew on their respective states. The likes of Abia, Lagos, Edo, Imo, Enugu, but to mention a few, have all been placed on indefinite curfew due to the violent conduct of protesters. Earlier today, in Aba, boys were seen on the street carrying out unusual EndSARS protests. One major thing that stood out was the incident of some protesters engaging the police in shootouts with the bullet penetrating their body. While some fled during the shootouts in some area, some protesters stood their ground as they were fully immune to bullets of the police from the look of things. Here, you can see some Aba protesters who stood engaging the police. As the police is shooting them, it is not entering their body. One of them posted and said that we are prepared for this protest. We know that Nigeria police will always confront them. Therefore, we went to get ourselves prepared. As you can see, as they shoot, you know they enter. Declare an Aba Boys. Thank you for listening to the news. Viewers, this incident may have come and gone, but the memories of what happened in Aba have kept people still wondering what kind of guys, what kind of boys is this? Aba Boys stood Nigeria police, Nigeria security force arm to arm. We even learned on social media that some of them went to disarm police and collect their gun. According to one online post, one was saying, "Bia Enya, drop that your gun there and go." This is how it was said, that the policeman dropped his gun and left. Most of them were shot and the bullet did not enter. This is like miracle. Shooting an Aba boy and he will not enter. It was said that most of them went and do jazz, prepare themselves so that when they confront the police police bullet will not penetrate them. Though this information have not been verified and we cannot really ascertain whether it's true, it was all found from the social media and the pictures that was posted in the net. Viewers and listeners, what can you say of the Aba Boys? Their own drama, apart from what happened in Lagos, Aba Boys have stood out as one of the people that will stand and confront the Nigeria police force. Let's hear your viewpoints and your comments. Kindly comment below on our comment box and click the bell button and subscribe button in case you have not subscribed to our channel. Thank you for listening to the news.